Hello guys, welcome to a new episode of Food and Foods. Today we'll be making cheesy garlic maggi. In a bowl, take crushed garlic along with some spices like red chili, cumin powder and coriander powder. Mix it with water. Take a pan, add some oil, add some cumin seeds and sesame seeds. Add in your prepared masala in the same. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Then add some amchur powder and the maggi masala. Add some coriander leaves and mix it. Add some more water to get it cooked. Now we'll add our boiled maggi in the same. Add in the boiled maggi and mix it. Add your cheese slices after some time, as many as you want, and put the lid. After 5 minutes, take off the lid and your cheesy garlic maggi is ready. This was it for today guys. Enjoy your cheesy maggi. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Take care.